This is the iQOO 13, Vivo's flagship killer. Full breakdown. This is the iQOO 13, Vivo's latest beast, and it might just be the fastest phone of the year. It's packing the new Snapdragon 8 Elite, a 144Hz AMOLED display, 120 watts fast charging, and a rumored periscope zoom lens. But is it worth buying? Let's break it down. 1. Performance and specs. First up, performance. This phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with 16GB RAM and a 512GB UFS 4.0 storage. Translation: zero lag, ultra smooth gaming, and lightning fast app launches. Key specs here are Snapdragon 8 Elite, meaning Qualcomm's latest powerhouse, 16GB RAM plus 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, meaning no stuttering, no delays. Vivo's advanced cooling system, meaning it stays cool under heavy gaming, which is great for gamers. Clip of game running at maximum settings. This phone doesn't just run games, it dominates them. 2. Display, best in class. The 6.7-inch AMOLED screen is 144Hz, meaning super smooth scrolling, deep blacks, and vibrant colors. Display highlights are 144Hz refresh rate, which means smooth AF, peak brightness of 2000 plus nits, meaning it has no issues in sunlight, ultra narrow bezels, meaning maximum screen real estate. Seriously guys, watching content on this phone is next level. 3. Camera system, good or gimmick? Now, the camera. We are looking at a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 30 megapixel ultra wide, and a rumored 64 megapixel periscope lens with 5 times optical zoom. Camera highlights: OIS stabilization, meaning less shaky footage, 5 times periscope zoom, 8K video recording, meaning pro level video quality. But does it beat the iPhone 15 Pro Max? I'll let you guys decide. 4. Battery and charging. A flagship phone needs solid battery life, and the iQOO 13 delivers. It packs a 6150 mAh battery, but the real star here is the 120 watts fast charging. Battery and charging. 6150 mAh battery, meaning all day use. A 120 watts fast charging, meaning it's going to be charging from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. A wireless charging support. Actually, that is rumored, I don't know. 5. Price and final thoughts. So, how much will this beast cost? Expected price range is from $699 to $799. In Nigerian currency, that will be 900,000 to a million naira. For a phone this powerful, that's crazy value. Honestly, guys, that's a crazy value. But is it the best flagship killer of 2025? Let me know what you think in the comment section. While we're doing that, let me take you guys to my screen. Let's further observe more about this phone. Alright then, here we are. Someone said I neither imply nor state that this phone, which I have thoroughly enjoyed using for gaming, is bad. You can check the latest FunTouch 15 update log, where it mentioned optimized power consumption and overheating issues when playing some games. Optimization comes from both ends. Just consider the RE games available on iPhone, which showcase the power of the A17 chip. Capcom has no reason to make these games available for iPhone unless Apple has formed some part of partnership with them. Well, this guy is talking about Apple. Okay, over here it says iQOO team managed to optimize their device to run a game smoothly because the game developer haven't done something about the bad performance. Then they really care about the phone and the brand, which means this is a good phone. That's wonderful. Next, some random optimized gacha games doesn't run well. Bad phone. IMAO trying to laugh out loud like that. Blame the shit developer for not optimizing their shade gacha games. The phone company has nothing to do with it, meaning the phone is actually a good phone. Those two features are unfortunately still unavailable in WUA. They have them for Genshin, but not for WUA so far. RM10 Pro is a really niche phone that's only has gaming performance and its selling point. No PI certification, so camera etc. But yeah, iQOO 13 on the other end has frame interpolation and super resolution feature. It's just that it works for most popular games out there. This person is definitely a tech individual. So you can see that this phone has lots and lots of comments and lots of reviews from different persons out there, but most of them are actually saying that the phone is actually great for gaming. It has good camera performance, it has a very strong battery, the phone is good to go. If this video helped you, kindly smash that like button and subscribe for more trendy tech updates. I'll catch you in the next one.